Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of smart TV accessories with a focus on the best remote control for TCL Roku TVs available right now. If you're like me and love seamless entertainment control, stick around because we've got a lot to cover. Introducing the replacement remote control only for Roku TV. Whether you own a TCL, Hisense, ONN, Philips, or any other Roku-powered smart TV, this remote is designed to enhance your viewing experience without breaking the bank. Let's talk features. This remote is all about convenience. With dedicated shortcut buttons for your favorite apps like Disney+, Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu, you can jump straight into your preferred content with just a press of a button. And check out its ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and easy to use, even in dim lighting with its backlit buttons. Setup? A breeze. Simply insert two AAA batteries, not included, and you're good to go. No need for pairing or programming, just straightforward functionality. Now, here's the kicker. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Roku TV models, including TCL, Hisense, ONN, Philips, and many more. It's tailored specifically for Roku TVs, ensuring seamless integration with your entertainment setup. And here's something that sets it apart. Backed by Acoyer's unlimited return and refund service within 60 days. Customer satisfaction is their priority. So, if you're looking to replace your Roku TV remote or simply need a reliable backup, the replacement remote control only for Roku TV is your go-to solution. With its affordability, ease of use, and broad compatibility, it's truly a must-have. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get yours today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.